for the Department of Justice, we still don't have any word on that.
One last related
Even
question.
electronic copy po.
Ikaw ma'am, DQ ano?
Sir, may wala sa Supreme Court na willing to comment on the decision ni Senator on the existence ng as well. Submitted the comment and ano sir yung comment.
We can confirm that we received yesterday afternoon the notice from the Supreme Court for the department to submit a comment within 10 days. As to the content of our comment, I cannot yet disclose that. Pag na-file na lang, we will, it can be shared naman to the public. But we can confirm that there was already a notice coming from the Supreme Court for us to file our comment.
At least maybe